Hey there everyone, this is Matt for Creative Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at LifeCharge's flat data cable. This is a lightning cable and it's flat and it's better than the normal cable because it doesn't break as much, or at least that's what they say. Let's open this up and take a look at the cable. Now, I do agree with them when they say that these iPhone cables break a lot, because they do. I've lost 2 of them just by breaks at the head here. So this one is 6 feet of cable, so that's a nice long cable. And it is very flat, as you can see here. It's nice and curly when you get it here at the beginning, and it's really, really long. From this end all the way to this end, which is a nice length. In comparison, we have a normal length cable here. Normal, flat. Here's where the normal ends, and this is how much extra you get. And this feels really nice. This one kind of has like this kind of grayish look to it. The head is white. This one is all white for now, at least, and is very square and flat. And hopefully this will help with tangling, because, of course, you can tangle this one up pretty easily. But this one here, flat, that should help with tangling. And that, again, is extremely long. So this is how I will probably keep it most times, just wrapping it up. And here it is. So you can find this on LifeCharge, LifeCharge's website. It works for every device that uses lightning cables. Again, it's 6 foot. It's the flat data cable from LifeCharge. I really like it. First, the length, the feel of this, and that it's supposedly not going to break as easily as my other cables, because they break a lot. So check it out. Again, a really long cable, and feels really nice, aesthetically pleasing. All right, a few things here. Please go to our GoFundMe and our Kickstarter. We're looking for help with our production. We'd really appreciate it if you could give something. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to Creative Reviews, and also our sister site, 5149 Media. Find us on Facebook, Beam, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.